What's up, guys? So the reason I made this short course was because when I was starting out, I never really had any resources for a beginner like me. Most courses actually covered more advanced topics and didn't exactly suit my needs. You see, I never had a green thumb, I never grew up on a farm, I didn't do agriculture in college. In fact, I never actually saw myself doing anything like this until later on in life. You see, I'm a civil engineer by profession. My days are spent working with inanimate objects. Basically, we're talking construction sites, piping, concrete, that whole thing. I wasn't used to growing, nurturing, or even taking care of things. You see, the way things are in my country is you work your whole life in the private, public sector, and then finally, when you're old and wrinkly, you finally retire to a farm. Farming is actually looked at as something that old people do. And I'm 27, so you can imagine it's not exactly cool. But despite all that, I dove headfirst into farming, and I'm actually making a pretty decent income out of it. This is regardless of the economy. Because one thing I realized, and soon you will, is that no matter someone's economic status, they still have to eat. So this mini course is set up for someone like the old me, someone with no direction, someone with no idea where to start, basically someone like you. So here's what it's going to cover. 1, I'm going to give you a tour of my farm, so that you see that all the things I'm going to teach you are things I'm actually applying right now to get the results that I'm getting. 2, we're going to go into crop farming. 3, we're going to go into animal farming. 4, we're going to go into land and preparation. 5, we're going to go into water sources and irrigation. This one is important. 6, we're going to go into researching your sector. 7, we're going to go into labor management. 8, we're going to go into budgeting and money management. 9, we're going to go into work planning. And finally, 10, we're going to go into marketing. This is actually finding a market for your crops and how to make money. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be releasing at least 2 to 3 videos every week. So make sure you hit subscribe and ring the bell so that you actually get notifications whenever I post something new. Bear in mind though, this is a beginner level course, so what it's going to do is it's going to get your foot in the door and give you some sort of direction, but it'll be up to you to pick which path you're going to take. Don't worry though, I'm not going to leave you high and dry after that. I'll still be regularly posting videos on more advanced topics for you to follow. But one thing I'll do is put this course in its own playlist so it'll be easy to follow and you won't get too overwhelmed with all the extra information. So again, subscribe, hit that bell, and we can get started.